Aito diario nepepe keda isishian kotomona kiro nuegiti gita nui kamnara kede Akor nesda etolosi kotomnada aboisit nakada Riverside aoja ko district loko Soroting le yaita kiro nuka Akor kotomno district loko Soroti Moses echero okelo nesda buko limda bako wakiroto ni kamnara keda ito diara kiro nuka Akor kotomno karu kalo nesni kamnara keda nyunda ibe ajawut keda ajene kotomona Julo ki kwamin tete ken igangi kotomona kironi kamnara kereda Akor.
Climate action for sustainable agricultural productivity, which is in line with the NDP3 of promoting production and productivity.
Kunyeke jangulda Jessica Florence akiteng nadara kala ni kamnara keda kironu Akor kotomno district loko Soroti esabu kodelo kobal daibe amamus na ke sokoni nesationis na terekina keda Akoriok da luipu.
Farmers have planted gardens of acres of citrus seedlings, mango seedlings, cashew nut seedlings, but now those things have just rotten from there. NADS have changed the program that they want to avocado, they want those other things that our farmers cannot afford. Really, what can the government do to the people? Why do you give people a program to do, then again all of a sudden you stop and wasting farm money like that? It is really a very big challenge.
Jonan Adrico leda isome keda riongot lokada naro ngesabu kolim daibe rae kechepelo kotomona osho kalo anyuna be shian kritekes Akoriok ajenun aidules nuka kiro kerin tules tekesi kunyeke jangulda eran kwesdam adumun aimon na Akoriok tetekeny epiril kwesdam aitolot ajene na joka.
Pertinent issue that this particular show is addressing is the aspect of climate change, and NARO is addressing that. So we bring here a lot of opportunity for learning, but also we come here to listen to the ordinary farmer, to know what their concerns are, what their needs are, so that when we do research, the research focuses on the problem.
Lord Arai Minister li kamnara keda kironu Akor kotomno ringot loka iteso Cultural Union Jones echeru oluma ngesda buki maniman aiboshunwe gitigita neda potitunga kopedosda a jenununwi pu eutada apukor eshiolo kotomnando Soroti oluma ngesabala daibe kwa ringot loka ichu ekapaina kes amone sokoni kotomona ikoronwe gitigita lwelumni da kotomnari nakado teso.
Southern Sudan, West Indies, America, Jabo isongonu kere, dao se temoin. Minera wanime yo, imame peri, imame market. Una dumu ne market, oto maichu. Yesa los kide te kosi na ichu. Amo e market, me perorite so. Agwela rinyamata keso le poriete. Oni bonesilo yako.
Wilson Odongo loda utada eitudana richumanda lwe gitigita ngesabala daibe mamekwane pone kila ema ibusakint Akoriok Alomar kotomna kironu kada aitesom ichuman tete keny itolomunyo inyamata luipu kanukada ajokshonu kada itunga. Michael Onyinge, TV East, Soroti District.